Welcome to GroundsFest, the UK's largest industry event for the landscaping, grounds care and amenities sectors. Over the next 2 days, you will experience the best the industry has to offer, from buzzing indoor stands to action-packed outdoor demonstrations. And GroundsFest is the only UK event where you can get up close and personal with the equipment for yourself. Alongside this, there's a packed schedule of free education sessions, a landscape zone and some incredible live features, from tool battles, vintage saws and mower face-offs with Machinery Nation Live to lawnmower racing. Yes, you heard me correctly.
We had to come back this year. It's probably the best show, personally. To be able to get hands-on kit, it's a great social networking day out. It's great, yeah, it's good.
It's a large site. Every single sort of manufacturer is here who you want. It's dedicated to our industry. It's probably one of the best ones I've been to.
And when the business of the day is done, the fun continues with a live music event, including the world's greatest Oasis tribute band. There's free bumper cars and a great selection of food and drink. GroundsFest is here to bring people together, celebrate innovation and, importantly, make memories. So get stuck in and make the most of everything on offer.
This totally blows everything else out of the water. If you haven't been, definitely come. As soon as I get home, I'm booking the hotel.
We don't commit to any other shows now. We're not even having our own sort of trade days anymore because we're seeing the people we want to see here. So it's a really good vehicle for us. It actually saves us money. It's perfect. Yeah. It's easy.
Festival season might be drawing to a close, but there's definitely festival vibes here at GroundsFest. It's brilliant. There's a whole dedicated catering area, for example, with different types of street food. I've just got myself proper coffee, which is delicious, but you've got stone-baked pizza, there's roast chicken, there's even the bistro as well. So there really is something for everyone here.
There's indoor stuff, there's outdoor stuff, and yeah, just how big it is, it's amazing. There's something for everybody here.
Yeah.
People have been watching the live demos and trying machines for themselves. But then you've got a good mix. You can go inside, you've got the seminars, so there's something for everyone.
Well, that's a wrap on GroundsFest 2025, and what an incredible couple of days it's been. We've had record numbers of exhibitors, visitors, and an atmosphere that shows just how special this industry is. GroundsFest is more than just a show, it's a community. It's about people, progress and passion. So thank you for being a part of it and making this year an unforgettable one. We'll see you again at GroundsFest 2026, which is happening on the 16th and 17th of September, where the story continues.